Hi guys, you are on the channel Cryptocoin System.
My name is Alex. On the channel we will talk about cryptocurrencies and will inform you about various interesting projects.
I will also tell you what projects I will personally participate in. Don't forget to click on the call and subscribe to our channels not to miss our new videos.
Please read the information related to high risks. Our channel is only informative and does not force you to act. All actions you do at your discretion. Don't forget to familiarize yourself with the risks so you don't lose capital.
Let's start, friends. We are on the site Nodes Guru, and today we'll get acquainted with the site on which we will install the node to earn. Thank you to the guys who help us in this business. Let's get started. Today we will install the Minima node on the server. Be sure to subscribe to all social networks not to miss anything. And most importantly, subscribe to the Discord. Let's get to the point and buy a server for our node. Link to the servers I will leave. You will be able to get a registration bonus of 20 euros on your servers. I have already registered and there is everything. Just after registration you need to specify your card number to pay for the server. To install the node we need CPX11 server and select it. Next we create a new project for the node. Specifies any name for the server. Next click to create a locator server. You can choose any for the server no matter what you choose. Then choose Ubuntu 20.04 to install the node. We need the server CPX11 and select it. It will have 2 cores and 2 RAM and SSD memory for 40 GB. The cost of this server per month is approximately 5 euros, but if you know other servers, you can use those you know. Then go down below and specify the name for our server in your opinion, and then create and buy a server. The purchase of this server will be at the end of the month and will be automatically purchased. The whole of our server is created, and now the data should come to you by mail. There will be your address and password from the server. Next we need to download the terminal for installing the node where we will prescribe our commands for the server. I will use Mobaxterm here. You can download both the paid version and the free version if you understand in this it makes sense to install the paid version, and if you want to try the free will be enough. We most important to install the node do exactly the same as I and all get the link I will also leave under the video. Now you need to sign up to get our tokens every day. Here you enter your phone number, and then the code from your phone email and register here. Everything is simple. Then you will receive an email, and you will be able to log into your profile. You'll have your ID number, and we'll need it to link it to the node. After you have downloaded the terminal, enter it. Here I'll just create a new session and choose Next SSH. Then we need to enter the data that came to us by mail. This is our IP address IPv4. Here in the box write root to the standard and create a session. After that we need to specify the password that came to us from the server to the mail. We enter the password and save for the IP address. Indicate the flogging from our server and then change to your WIP. Here at the standard in the terminal no password is visible for security purposes. All you and I have changed the password. Be sure to write it down to not lose. Now let's get acquainted with the information for installation of nodes. As we see with you in the third quarter of 2022, we will have the main network and see with you that there will be awards. For each day we will be given 1 token of the given project for installation of nodes. We'll still give rewards if you find errors. Next they write a server we need, but we have already bought a server, so we skip this step and continue on. Next we see the commands that we need to write in the terminal. Copy and insert into the terminal on one command. Next we'll need our ID to link to the node. Here everyone just do everything as written. Next we need to insert on ID into command as shown on page. Let's start the installation by copying the first command to install the updates. Then after the current as the first command is established, enter the second command, copy and paste, wait for root to appear, and then enter 2 command. Then enter 3 command and install node can take some time. When you see that the installation has been completed and at the end is 0, go to article. And then there you need to insert your ID in the command line, and at the end we need to write these symbols then in the article no, so be careful. Copy SimVal data and paste, and then just press enter main, insert your ID. After all the installation, you should have since I have the main thing that the statute was true. After all the installation, you should have since I have the main thing that the statute was true. Then refresh this page, and you should keep your time and date. Also friends are unforgettable that you can become an ambassador and earn more. All links I will leave for you to be easier to understand yourself. On this I have all unforgettable to subscribe to our channel and follow new projects all good and good mood.